To create an actual document, you need to go to Notepad++. So if you go to the Start button and just search for Notepad or Note even, you'll see the result. Don't do regular Notepad, we need Notepad++. So click that once and it'll pop up. Make it full screen. First thing you need to do, up on the top toolbar, Language, put an H and set the language to HTML. This will make it so it can recognize all the tags and it'll actually color code it for you. Make it a lot easier. So the first thing we need to do is tell the browser we're using HTML. So every time we open a tag, we need to close it. So I have my open HTML and my close HTML. Then we'll get the head. So open the head, close the head. Enter down again, we'll open the body, and close the body. So the HTML just tells the web browser we're starting to speak HTML, and then these are just the two sections of our HTML document, the head and the body. So remember, the body is the actual website, the things you see, and the head is all that kind of behind the scenes information the web page needs but you can't really see. So in the head, we'll start actually using the title tag, and it'll name it for us. So we'll open the title, we'll name it, I'll just name it page 1 for an example, and then let's make sure we close it. We have open title, page 1, close title. Down in the body, we can start inserting actual text. Remember, there's two ways to do that. We'll start with an H1. Say this is a header, and I'll close it. And then below that, I'll do a paragraph. So use the P tag. Say this is a paragraph. So remember, you can type whatever you want. I'm just trying to keep this simple. So again, HTML. We have the two sections. Here's the head, here's the body. And this, of course, is everything you will see. Let's save it. So we'll go File, Save As. We have to go navigate to our folder. So it's in our document. So we're going to click on Libraries, Documents, and find the folder HTML. Let's name it something meaningful. So we can just name it website for now. This is just an example. You might want to name it something more relatable to your topic. Double click that website and make sure it says down here hypertext markup language file. If it doesn't, you forgot to set your language. Hit save. So we can minimize this, go back to Windows Explorer, go to our documents, go to the folder we just saved the file to, and you'll see it website. It should have a Google Chrome logo. If not, don't worry about it. You can still open it in Chrome. We need to use Chrome though. So click it once, left click once, and then right click, hit open with Google Chrome. Now mine's default to Chrome. If yours isn't, you got to do this every time. Not every time, but you'll be able to set it as a default browser. Anyways, get it open in Chrome. You'll see here's the header and there's a paragraph. The title is up here on the actual tab, the browser window. So even though you can see it, it's technically not on the web page. To add stuff to your web page, let's minimize this. Minimize this. Go back to Notepad. And let's say we needed to add another paragraph. So I'll just copy this, return down, paste it. We can say this is paragraph 2. So if I need to add stuff, just do what you need to do in your code. Remember, the body is what you see, so make sure it's in between these two tags. To update the file, because if we go back to Chrome, it's not there. We need to update it though. So minimize this. In Notepad, you need to just hit save. You can hit the save icon here. I would get into the habit of hitting Control S. So if I hit Control S, you'll notice the icon kind of goes black or grays out. That means it's saved, it's updated. To view the changes, go back to Chrome, and you need to hit the refresh button. You'll see paragraph 2 popped up. So that's how I update the file.